So here's a large apartment with painted walls. It's a nice apartment. It's really large. And we've done a stria on the walls in this bedroom. And of course, covering the switch plates and all. You can see a stria has a faint pattern to it, but it gives you some depth versus a paint finish, which really is just very flat. And the customer really liked it. So we're also going to do their dining area. And they're moving in here next week. We're just going to do these 3 walls. And here's those 3 walls finished. Some of the furniture is still away from the wall. And just give you an idea of how this looks. Compared to the yellow walls, which are the living area. There you go.